Okay, I got a request about flying my Mavic Mini with my Z Fold2, Galaxy Samsung Z Fold2. Here's my Z Fold2 in the holder that I built. I also have a video for. I'll put the link in the in the bottom. But anyway, so here's my Mavic Mini, and I'm going to start it up and fly it. So let's get it going. Okay. There it is. There's the drone, and here it is right here on the right here. Get back in here in the shade so I can see better. I can see the So that's the Z Fold2 controlling the Mavic Mini. There we go.